Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to show you clips and snippets of the setup of my daughter's 9th birthday movie theme party. I went all in the house and decorated and set it up like an indoor dine-in movie theater. It was so exciting. We had so much fun, and it was light outside during the party, but my whole goal was to blacken the house to make it appear to be dark like a movie theater. And so that did work. Lights are on now, but once the lights are turned off, which you'll see later, that it was bright outside, but you would never know it because everything was dark like a dining movie theater. So it was so much fun. I'm gonna walk you through a little bit of some of the snippets of things that I did. So just keep watching and stay tuned. This was the hallway, and pretty much with this, I was blacking out the walls. They were lighter, and I didn't want you to walk in and see these light walls. So I pretty much put black table covers up, and then I put these black curtains over it so you couldn't see the curtain fringe, so you couldn't see through there. And this kind of gave the hallway a darkened look when they came in from it being light outside. As you can see to the right, you can see I still have my couches there. I still have a table set up in the corner, and then the kitchen table. So all the furniture had to get removed to achieve this look. This is where I'm starting to put up the happy birthday banner sign, which was the backdrop for the dessert table. And this you'll see in a little bit right here. This is where I did a popcorn balloon wall. It was so much fun, a lot of work, but with the help of one of my friends, we got it done, a popcorn balloon wall. So that was real fun to do that. And just to give you a closer look. Next, this is just a shot showing the furniture, the couches. Most of them, as you see, I moved out. Just to kind of show you the before. I already started putting curtains around the TV and getting a sign up over there. But this is just to show you, like I said before, the table gets moved out the kitchen. This table right here actually gets moved over in front of the backdrop to be used for the dessert table. And we bring in tables and set up tables and chairs in the kitchen. Now I'm just showing you a close-up of this. This is what I did. I put white curtains. We have a light that illuminated the TV all around, and then this was like the setup we did for like our movie screen. And here's the sign that I purchased, and I was able to take letters and put on her name, just as welcome to Amia's Dine-In Theater. This was above the TV. And right here, I'm just showing you balloons. We did a beautiful balloon wall. This was just like a little process of blowing up the balloons, and this was the start of the balloon wall. First time doing that, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. And here's the finished product. I absolutely love the balloon wall. And that little sign that says Amia, it lights up. That's my daughter's name, and I also made that as well. And the number 9 that you see, I made that from scratch also. In case you're wondering how long it took for me to do all this, make sure you continue to watch to the end, because I do let you know exactly how long it took me. This is just a close-up view for you to see the boxes with her name and the movie theme. Now what you see here, this is all the balloons that we did. So we had the beautiful balloon wall that was right in front of the fireplace, and then to the right was a happy birthday banner and a popcorn balloon arch. So that was so much fun to do too. Popcorn boxes, I actually made those as well. Now I do have a video, step-by-step video, that does show you how I created these giant popcorn boxes. So I'll leave that at the end of this video for you to click on that and check that out. I know you just saw my daughter running past the video, but she was just running past, just playing. But here, this is a picture. I was trying to figure out how to get the table set up. I rented some 4-feet tables, and I had 8 of them to squeeze in. So I was playing around with the setup of them. But here you see it done completely. They're covered with black plastic tablecloths, and I got black chairs and just put red chair sashes on those. So I was pleased with the setup of that. This is in the kitchen. This is the cake table, and also this is the window that I covered with the Frozen poster. This was the concession stand that was before. And pretty much this is after I did have some lights here and there. This last concession stand was cotton candy. I didn't have that out though, but the kids' favorite thing was the little packets of cotton candy I got. This was a centerpiece. I had 2 tables in the kitchen, 6-foot tables, and this was a centerpiece that I made. And I like the way those turned out. And this is a lit up picture for you to see. These were the curtains I put up. I had blackened the windows out with black tablecloths and then put black curtains over them. And then I had string lights hanging and posters hanging. One of my favorite things was the paparazzi that you just saw. And I had little coaster lights behind there for it to flick. This was another giant popcorn box we had in one of the corners and just put some yellow and white balloons in there. I'm just showing you a few pictures. This was obviously the hallway when you're going towards the exit. My daughter wanted the exit signs. That was one of her requests. You can see up there at the top, the exit sign, and I just put LED lights to light that up. These were the camera lights action signs that lit up, and then I had little popcorn for their party favors containers that were personalized, and then put little treats and candy in there. And this is just a video. And one of the things I did too is I had a little packet for them, and in that I had some tickets and then some little punch cards for their snacks. This was what the movie ticket I made for her dine-in theater, so that turned out really cool. And the kids had to bring up the punch cards when they came to the concession stands. I also made these water bottle labels for my daughter as well. My husband and I actually created this. This was like a 3D movie poster light. And so that was really cool and a fun project. This is just a close-up, better look of the exit sign that I had that my daughter requested. And this is showing you the final look with the lights on. You can get a clear view how it looks with the lights on. And then right after this, we'll go to the final look with the lights turned off. So just stay tuned. We were so pleased. The kids had so much fun, and then they got to take a break and go outside and get daylight for the intermission and play in the back on the swing set and trampoline. So they still did get to enjoy some daylight for the intermission. Then of course the popcorn machine, that was a rental, that was a big hit. And then the snack bar, the concession stand that we had, and the setup, we had just enough space to squeeze in all the tables and all the chairs. And I will let you know that it did take me a total of about 3.5 days. So it took a while, but it was a lot that we had to do to get this done. So it took about a total of 3.5 days to achieve this transformation for my daughter's dine-in movie theater. And here's the grand reveal with all the lights turned off. So you can see exactly how it looked. Now I did forget to mention that as soon as you do the entryway on the sides, I did purchase some gold stanchion stands and red ropes. So that was really cool. I wanted to give it the full experience. And you can see it was dark right here. So I did actually have to pause the video and restart it to get focus back with the light so you can see what's going on. That's how dark it was. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the video of the giant popcorn boxes, that step-by-step tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a royal day.